In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a swim lane and a column in Miro. Miro is a well-known online collaborative whiteboarding platform that's essential for teamwork in designing, strategizing, and many other creative processes. We'll be focusing on how to organize your board with swim lanes and columns, two powerful tools in Miro that can help structure your content and improve clarity and workflow efficiency. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about adding a swim lane. Swimming lanes are a great way to section your board into horizontal areas, perfect for differentiating stages, categories, or any other grouping that suits your project needs. To add a swim lane, you'll begin by locating the toolbar on the left side of your Miro board. Once there, find the icon represented by a grid-like structure. That's the swim lane tool we need. By clicking on Add Swimlane, you can create a new horizontal section across your canvas. Swim lanes help in visually organizing tasks and keeping related items or phases distinctly separate yet easily accessible. They can be customized in size, and you have the liberty to add as many swim lanes as your project requires. Take a moment to think through how you want to utilize this area to maximize your team's productivity. Now, let's move on to adding a column. Columns act as vertical dividers, aligning with the swim lanes to create a grid-like pattern on your board, which enables more detailed structuring. After adding your swim lane, navigate back to the toolbar. Look again for the column tool, which should appear as an icon similar to vertical bars. Click on it to add a column to your canvas. Like swim lanes, columns can be beneficial for separating tasks, timelines, or topics. They're great for building out frameworks such as Kanban boards or timelines. You can adjust the width of each column simply by dragging the borders. This flexibility ensures your board always meets the evolving needs of your project or team dynamics. By strategically implementing swim lanes and columns, you create a clear visual hierarchy that can help team members instantly understand the layout and flow of information. Customizing the color, size, and arrangement of these elements enhances usability and keeps your board clean and organized. That's a quick overview of how to add these essential components. Once you get comfortable with these features, you'll find your Miro boards much more organized and productive. So, there you have it. Adding swim lanes and columns in Miro is straightforward yet highly effective. Hopefully, this guide helps you optimize your board's layout, aiding you and your team towards a more streamlined and efficient collaborative process. Feel free to experiment with these tools based on your specific needs, and happy organizing!